Hello, Gemini. So, if you are Gemini, Sun, Moon, or Rising signs, this message may be for you. Take what resonates and always be true to yourself. What do we need to know for Gemini right now? What do we need to know for Gemini? The Prince of Cups, the Queen of Swords. There's a lot of thinking, a lot on the mind. The Queen of Discs. Goals. There's a lot on the mind with the goals. Fairness. What needs to change. The World card on the bottom and the Four of Discs on the top. So what I'm getting here is that you guys are, there's a lot going on the mind. There's a lot here with the Prince of Cups. This is about happiness, emotions. And now we have the Queen of Swords. I also feel like you're seeing a truth here. So there could be, and I want to say manipulation. So this could be a truth about manipulation. Seeing beyond lies, or seeing something that is true, that you're not being fooled on here. But this is really bothering you guys, or was bothering you guys in the recent past. And here's the Queen of Discs. And this is the goal. So you guys want to focus on something. So there could be something pulling you away from what you guys want to focus on. And you guys want to get back to that. Your goals and your plans with this card. So I feel like there's a growth here. I feel like there is something that has been brought to your attention with these two cards. And you're focusing on what are you going to do for you. So you're seeing the truth about something. Adjustment. I feel like this truth thing you could have been wondering about in the past. So adjustment is what needs to be more and less of for you guys to be happy. And it's all the same colors here. So it's, you could be trusting someone less. You could be seeing beyond the lies, or seeing beyond the veil. You could be seeing some truths, and you could be saying, what do I need to do to change this, because I don't want to do this anymore. So this is about adjustment. And it's also it's about fairness. It's about what's right and what's wrong. So you're not going to be, if there's someone you can't trust, you're not going to open up your trust to that person anymore. Maybe you'll put some boundaries there. So I feel like there's some kind of manipulation thing going on here. It doesn't have to be so serious or so big, but I feel like with the Prince of Cups, it's something that is emotional, because this could be someone that you care about, or someone that you're close to, and someone that you put a lot of energy and time into, love into, luxury. The Four of Cups. So I feel like there's some good things going on here. The Four of Cups is about celebration. So there could be some things that you guys would be celebrating right now. There could be completion of something, and then you're moving on to the next step of that here. So this is what's going on right now with you guys. And whenever this is that you guys are together, whether it's celebrating with other people, it's like the happiness kind of flows. Like everyone brings something to everyone's cup. The Two of Wands, Dominion. So this is a future card, near future card. This is about your determination to do something, like having a vision and then making a decision which way you're going to go, and making it happen. It's like taking the action, like just getting ready to take that action. So there's something here, because there's goals, and I feel like the desire to do this is coming back. So you were busy dealing with something else, and now there's a desire here to go on with something that maybe you have put aside, unless there's a new goal for some of you guys. So of course, take what resonates, because everyone's situation is different. So there's a new desire or feeling of motivation now to do something where you guys were being pulled away from that before. So there's a new desire here, again, to continue or to do something new that you guys want to do here with the Queen of Discs and the Two of Wands. The Seven of Swords, futility. This is about being careful with the decisions that you make now, that and how you speak and how you react, how you are thinking about things, so that you do them with a clear mind and in a way that is right for you. So not to jump too quick to decisions, especially when you're emotional right now. The Seven of Swords is usually about like somebody doing something wrong, like that's not right, that can hurt them later on, or hurting someone else, or someone else hurting you. So I feel like this is a good time, and with this reading, I feel like it's a good time to pay attention to not being so reactive when things happen. And you could find yourself seeing that you're reacting less than you used to, or not wanting to react so much before, like less drama, and making decisions not based on how you feel emotionally, making decisions with compassion, and doing things in a way that is for your highest good. And can also mean, if there was deception here, or manipulation, or whatever this was, that you're not going to think about revenge, and you're just going to think about boundaries and doing things so that it's not going to hurt you guys. And also that you're not going to allow someone else to take so much from you with this card. The Emperor. The Emperor is about power, and this is what's around you guys. The Emperor is about power. I may pull more cards on this. So this is what's around you, and I like, first I'm thinking maybe there's someone with strong energy you're trying to control. So the Emperor is about control, and it could be that whatever this was, whoever this was, could have been trying to control you, and you realize this through whatever their words or whatever, their actions, and you realize this, and so you're aware of this, that there's someone around you could be trying to control. It could be more than one person. I'm getting that it could be even more than one person. So you are thinking about safe boundaries and sticking to your goals, like putting more energy into you and your goals here. The Death card. The death is rebirth. It's death and rebirth. So this is change. This is transformation, change, and it's letting go of the way things were before. So I really feel like you guys are, like, she's not taking anything that's not true, and this is fairness, justice, not dealing with something that's not right, fairness, and I feel like you guys are done with that. So there's a little bit of blue here. It's like freeing yourself, cutting out what's not working for your highest good, and then doing things different. And the Knight of Cups. This is, fun, romantic. This is a future card. So the Knight, and you have the Knight here, and you have the Cups here and the Cups here. And you have Cups here. So focusing on being a little selfish, I want to say, and having passion towards that, whatever it is that you want to do here. Being selfish, but in a good way. Being selfish in a good way, and and giving yourself what you guys need here with your goals, whatever it is that you want to do, whether it's money, goals, whatever you want to put your time and energy and money into, something that's going to make you happy here. Maybe it's focusing more on your relationship. Maybe whatever this was affecting your relationship with someone that you love, and maybe you're focusing more on that. So, and then we have the universe and power. These are beautiful cards. The universe is success. It's a completion of something that happened in your timeline. And it's a beautiful major arcana card. And to come with this, the death card in the world, it's like the end of something, the beginning of something new, and things, you know, doing things to make your heart happy. And the Four of Discs is a very powerful card in this tarot. It's called Power. And it's about creating. Like if you see the colors there, it's like the sacral chakra. It's about creating, and 4 is balance. So with this reading, this is you creating some balance in here and taking back your power and not giving it away to someone who could have been maybe manipulating, trying to control, trying to make you feel bad about something, or trying to tell you who, you know, maybe whatever it was that they were trying to do that you saw, you know. Yeah, so it's seeing what you want in the future, the completion and the power, taking your power back, bringing balance into your life, seeing the truth, and being grateful for that, because it could be hard to see the truth sometimes. And sticking to your goals, whatever that is, and making yourselves happy. So I wish you guys well, Gemini. Take care.